In this video, I show you how to make these smileys. The following are some lessons in which I made use of them. In this lesson, for example, I used the angry smile to brainstorm students. It was useful. My students enjoyed it. Then I used the disappointed one so that students can describe the main character's feelings. This is another lesson where I used the regretful smiley, the happy and the disappointed ones. As a matter of fact, using smileys in my lessons makes a difference and my students enjoy them. Let's start the tutorial. The first step is to log on, type feeling smileys on Google, choose the ones you like, then print them. These are the ones I printed. The second step is to cut the smileys. I always prefer recycling to both save money and nature. That's why I recycle the following milk package. I cut the package to obtain this part. Put the smiley on the package and cut it. We obtain this pattern. Now, paste the two parts. I used this transparent sticker to protect the smiley. Here you are, the smiley is ready. Do the same for the others. Use smileys in your lessons. They are very useful. Indeed, they make a difference.